Hello, okay, RepairBuddy gives you different types of invoices, and from the jobs page you can easily print an invoice by clicking this option. And if you want to download a PDF, you can just click this option. And from the job page, if you are inside a job, there are several more options. So by default the invoice is like this. And new order, you can change this label from job statuses. For example, for new order it's saying new order, but if we change the status to delivered, it will change new order to invoice, and I will do that. And if there is an online payment link, customer have this option to pay the link, and customer have this QR code to check the job history anytime. And here customer can also print the PDF invoice, and this is how they can you can print the invoice. So there are two templates of large invoices. One is this one, which is by items, but as you can see there are two devices in this job, whatever you are repairing. But if you want to invoice by devices, you can just add it here, change it here. And after changing it, you will see that these items will be divided by devices. Okay, so this is how it works. And if we also have thermal print, you can just go to thermal print from here, or you can by default change thermal print new invoices to thermal print from here. So anytime you open an invoice from the job, it will open as a thermal print here. And other options, you have work order. You also have, as you can see, customer will receive invoice like this in their email. They can see all the details like this, and they can also download the attachment PDF. Customer receives update about their job whenever you change the status. You can disable this option if you don't want to bug your customer with so many emails. And by default, if you can also change invoice to thermal print. And you also have a work order here. Work order is for your technicians, so they can work on this job. You can see there are no prices are not mentioned. And you also have work order for customers in thermal size. The thermal size work order is that customer is agreeing to your terms and conditions, and he is signing pickup or signature here. And you also have repair ticket here in it. And you have two types of work orders, large and thermal size. And here you can see this is the repair ticket which you can give to your customers, so they can scan anytime, and then they can they can scan and track their device, the job status. And their customer can also download their invoices from their dashboard. And from email, as you see here, that they will receive updates about their emails. You also have estimates, where you can send estimate of approve or reject to your customer. And you can also print an estimate, so your customer can see the prices you are offering them. You can also download the estimate invoice here. As you can see, this is the estimate, this is the problem description, this is what you have recommended them, the cost. So when you send estimate to customer, if it is not approved yet, they will get option to approve or reject the estimate. So whatever they do, I will change customer to myself, so I can show you how customer will receive approve or reject estimate. I'm not here customer. All right, so this is how you can set up appointment. So these are the print you can also print estimate as a thermal invoice, and this is how it works. Let me know if you have some questions about invoices. So as you can see, it's mentioned quotation, and this is what you gave them, the quotation for this work. In the thermal invoice, it will be not full details. So I hope this helps you in your repair business. And from front end, you can also print invoices from your dashboard. Customers can also print invoices from their dashboard, and technicians can also download invoices whenever they have to give it to customers. So from dashboard, you can just go to jobs section here, and from jobs you have two types of job options to view: the card view or the table view, whatever suits you. So let me show you card view also. So this is a card view. If you want to print invoice of this job, you can just click print and it will come up. And if your default setting is thermal, it will show you thermal invoice, but you can change that anytime. And you can see and you can also get large invoice. And from table view, this is the large invoice, and from table view you have option to print invoice inside here in actions. Here you can see print job invoice. All right, so this is how these invoices are working. And one more thing, you have payment receipts. So if in case you need to give to your customers the payment receipts, just go to payments and you can print the payment receipts also, like this. This is a payment receipt. It's coming from job. When you receive a payment, this is the payment receipt which you can print and give it to your customers. So that's how receipts and invoices and estimates and work orders and repair tickets works for printing in RepairBuddy. Let me know if you have more questions about it. Thank you.